how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, A8, A9 Plus or whatever version you have, to do a hard factory reset and to sell. So take out all your account you don't want anymore or want to give it to somebody, you can follow this tutorial. Okay, so we'll unlock our tablet in this case. We're inside the tablet now. We'll go to setting directly in this case. Here we go. Come to setting, go inside the setting. In setting, you have to come here, this corner about tablets, go inside. Here you'll see at the bottom software update, reset, contact us. Go inside reset. Temporary cloud backup, external storage backup, reset all setting, reset factory reset. So in this case, before doing all the reset, temporary cloud backup, you can backup your tablet, external backup, or in computer other places, but do a backup. After that, you're gonna lose everything. Reset all setting you have here one, so it will security, language, account, everything will change this case, reset setting. But we want to do a factory reset. You can see factory data reset. Reset your tablet to your factory data setting. This will erase all data including file and downloaded application. Also you can come to this option, account and backup. Click here. Here at the top you have manage account. Go inside manage account. So all the accounts are connected. You will see you have to disconnect them one by one. I go inside this one. Remove account. Remove account from here, obviously after doing backup. Also remove Samsung account, remove here sign out from Samsung account. I recommend take out all the account for the security purpose. Manage account, there is no account connected to this tablet now. Now we'll go back again, about tablet at the corner, reset and factory data reset to sell it out. I click this one. See here all these applications are connected, it will be disconnect from this. So reset at the bottom. So I hit reset button. You have to put your pin code. Continue. Here at the bottom you see delete all. I click this one. It's shutting down. Samsung logo you would see couple of times. This tablet is quite faster, has 4 GB of RAM, so things will happen fast. So let's see. See welcome screen. Now you have to hit start and do setup again if you want to use for yourself. Obviously you want to sell this one, so don't do the setup. You can hold the power button here. Then shut it down. That's all. Then pack it back and sell it or give it to somebody if you like. So this is the way you can do a hard factory reset to sell your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, A9 Plus or A8 or any other version of Tab. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.